Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to dinner tonight. Today we are going to make the meatballs curry, and you can say that it's basically Mughlai kofta. And the ingredients which we required are: this is a minced meat. You can take any kind of meat, whether it is of mutton or beef. It's up to you. It's a half kg meat. Okay. Then we have to chop this meat. We have to put it in a chopper. Okay. Then after putting it in a chopper, you have to put some spices in it. That is, it is one small onion which is roughly chopped. You can see that. Okay. After putting it, we required 4 to 5 cloves and 1 inch ginger. So we have to put it in this chopper. I have taken some mint and some green coriander, and we have to put it in a chopper. Okay. And we need some spices. That is, we need 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes. After this, we need coriander. Black pepper, I have taken about half a tablespoon black pepper. Okay. You can put it in it. Okay. Some 5 to 6 green chilies, and you can take it according to your taste as well. If you need small spices, a little spice, you can minimize it. You can add 3 to 4 green chilies in it. Now I have added 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon chili powder in it. After this, I'm going to chop it. Okay. Now I'm going to chop it by putting about 2 grinded black chick peas I have taken. It's about 2 tablespoon black chickpea. Now I have to put it. Now I'm going to grind it. Okay, this is our chopped spices mixed in a meat mince. And for making curry, we required, this is, I have taken about 8 to 9 almonds, and then I make a paste, or you can say that I have just blended. And this is 2 to 3 tablespoons of a poppy seed, which I have cleaned, and then I have just make a paste of it. And this is a grated coconut. I have taken 2 tablespoons of each of this dry fruits. Then you required about 1 cup of yogurt. And for curry making, we required about 4 to 5 medium-sized onions. And let's see the spices. I required 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. And it is also 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And let's see the spices which we required. That is 2 bay leaves, about 3 to 4 sticks of cinnamon, and about 1 black cardamom we required. It is a green cardamom. You can use about 3 to 4 cardamom. It is about 4 to 5 cloves. We required some black pepper according to your taste. It is 1 star anise and 1 tablespoon cumin. First of all, what we have to do, we have to make a balls of this minced meat. Okay, you have to make a ball like this. It may be a bigger or smaller, it's your choice. Okay, I'm making a ball. My oil is heated up, and I can feel the warmth of it. Okay, you can shallow fry these balls. You have to check whether the oil is heated or not. I think it is warm. Okay, now on a low flame, you have to just fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, you have to just fry it for a little moment. Okay, like this you have to put it. We have made several balls of it, and we have to just fry it for a few moments, about 1 to 2 minutes, or you can take 2 to 3 minutes. Then we will able to make a curry of it. Now we can turn these balls, or you can say that we have to roll these balls so that it can cook evenly, like this, so that it is evenly cooked. You can turn them slowly, and my flame is about low to medium flame. We can turn them so that it is evenly cooked, like this. Can you see the beautiful color of this ball? Okay, I just give them turn one or two times. After that, we will go to make a curry. Okay, now we have to add these onions and we have to fry them. And we have to fry them until it turns from translucent up to red color. Okay, we have to just change the color from translucent to red in color. And you can easily see the balls. It is ready now. It looks very nice, and we will add them after making a curry by mixing these the onions with a cup of yogurt. Okay dear, now our onion is transformed from translucent to a little bit red in color. Now we have to take out our onions, and then you can see that in the blender I have put 1 cup of yogurt, and I then blend these onions with 1 cup of yogurt. Okay, in the same oil I have to put these hot spices, including bay leaf, 3 to 4 cinnamon stick, and this is 1 black cardamom, and this is green cardamom, 4 to 5 cloves. This is my star anise. This is 1 tablespoon cumin seed and some black pepper according to your taste. Okay, we have to put it in the oil, let them fry, and it makes a sound. It means that it is now cooked. Now we have to keep our flame a little bit low, and now we have to add some paste of almond which we have grinded, some coconut which is grated, and 2 tablespoons of poppy seed. Now we have to stir it, and our flame is very low. After stirring it, we have to put our 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and all our spices. This is 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add some water in it so that it is cooked well and it will not burn. Okay, we have to cook this gravy until the oil comes on the surface. At this moment, we have to pour our paste, which is the onion and yogurt paste, in the pot, and then on the high flame we have to cook it further until our gravy becomes reduced. Then we will add our meatballs inside it. Okay viewers, as you see that the oil is coming on the surface. Now at this point we have to add these meatballs. Okay, now we have to add them one by one. Okay, now you have to just give a 1 stir. Okay, after this what you have to do, you have to add some 4 to 5 chilies inside this, and you have to add this hot spice. Okay, now you have to just cover it. Now I am putting a lid on it. What you have to do, you have to put a lid on it so that it will further cook for about 5 minutes, and then all the spices releases its aroma, and you have to heat it on a very low flame for about 5 minutes. Now viewers, it's ready. Let's have a look how it looks nice. I mean, it's amazing. Don't you think it's a royal kind of recipe? Look, its color, its texture. The meatballs are looking very nice. Okay, viewers, you must try this recipe. I mean, this is a royal kind of recipe. You must try it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And viewers, you must garnish it by green coriander. I have some green coriander with me. Garnish it with green coriander. Okay, and subscribe my channel. You must try it. It is a mouth-watering recipe. You must try it. Subscribe my channel. Eat healthy, think positive, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.